Throughout the annals of human civilization, the concept of money has undergone a remarkable evolution. From the humble beginnings of barter systems where goods exchange hands directly to the complexity of modern trade, the need for efficient mediums of exchange become apparent, leading to the advent of commodity money. Picture this: precious metals like gold and silver, revered for their rarity and allure in jewelry, art, and coveted treasures, took center stage as commodity money. Their intrinsic value made them widely accepted in trade, simplifying transactions and propelling economies forward. Yet, as societies flourished and global commerce expanded its reach, carrying hefty amounts of precious metals proved a cumbersome burden. In response, the ingenious concept of representative money emerged. With this ingenious idea, certificates or banknotes representing ownership of the physical commodities such as gold were held in reserve, offering a more convenient and lighter way to facilitate trade. Fast forward to the modern era and the stage is set for the most prevalent form of money, fiat currency. Unlike commodity money backed by intrinsic value, the worth of fiat currency lies solely in the trust and confidence placed in the issuing authority, commonly governments and central banks. The term fiat, derived from Latin, implies the authority's declaration, "It shall be" or "Let it be done." In a collective act of faith, people accept and recognize fiat currency as a medium of exchange, giving it life through mutual belief in its stability and universality. But what happens when faith wanes and individuals yearn for greater control over their financial destinies? In 2008, a mysterious visionary known as Satoshi Nakamoto emerged with the revolutionary concept, blockchain. Nakamoto's groundbreaking white paper responded to concerns about centralized financial systems and their susceptibility to manipulation. Nakamoto's crystal-clear vision was to create a decentralized digital currency free from intermediaries like banks. In 2009, Bitcoin was born as Nakamoto mined the first Genesis block, sparking curiosity and capturing imaginations with its decentralized nature and fixed supply. The digital money era had begun. But how does blockchain technology work and what sets it apart from traditional financial systems? Imagine a blockchain as an unbreakable chain of information where each block serves as a container for a set of transactions. These blocks are securely linked together, forming an incorruptible digital ledger. The magic lies in the fact that once a block is added to the chain, it becomes immutable, ensuring the authenticity and integrity of recorded transactions, making the blockchain highly reliable and resistant to tampering. In contrast to traditional financial systems which rely on a centralized database controlled by financial institutions or governing authorities, blockchain operates in a decentralized manner. It relies on a vast network of computers known as nodes, each holding a copy of the entire blockchain. This decentralization creates redundancy and enhances security, eliminating the need for a central authority. When a user initiates a transaction in a traditional financial system, it goes through intermediaries like banks and payment processors, which can be time-consuming and costly. In contrast, blockchain streamlines the process by broadcasting transactions to the networks in nodes, which work together to validate them using complex mathematical algorithms. Once verified, transactions are grouped with others to form a block. The magic of consensus mechanisms in blockchain ensures that before a block is added to the chain, nodes in the network reach an agreement on the accuracy of the information. This mechanism adds an additional layer of security, ensuring that all nodes agree on the validity of the transaction. In traditional financial systems, trust is placed in intermediaries to validate and process transactions, leaving room for human errors, system failures, and malicious activities. Blockchain eliminates the need for intermediaries by leveraging its decentralized nature and consensus mechanisms. Transactions recorded on the blockchain are tamper-proof, transparent, and verified by multiple participants, instilling a high level of trust in the system. The addition of a new block, whether through proof of work (POW) or proof of stake (POS) consensus mechanisms, is time-stamped and permanently integrated into the blockchain. As the blockchain is distributed across the network, there's no single point of failure or vulnerability, maintaining the integrity of the entire system even if one node fails or is compromised. The transformative potential of blockchain extends beyond digital currencies, revolutionizing industries like supply chain management, healthcare, finance, and more. Its decentralized, secure, and transparent nature has the power to reshape the future of finance and empower individuals with greater control over their financial destinies. As we venture forth seeking knowledge and embracing change, let us be inspired by the evolutionary power of blockchain and digital money. If you found this exploration enlightening, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell for more exciting educational content. Until next time, remember to embrace the pursuit of knowledge, for here at Factify, learning never stops.